we now? Where are we now?
The book brought us to a village. The book brought us
To a village. Look at that small boy. Look at that small boy. Hello, my name is Jack. Hello, my name is Jack.
We have no food to eat. We have no food to eat.
What are these small beans? What are these small beans? They are magical beans. They are magical beans.
The plant growing very fast. The plant is growing very fast.
It goes all the way up. It goes all the way up.
I must climb the beanstalk. I must climb the beanstalk. I will go up with you. I will go up with you.
Be careful up there. Be careful up there.
They are very high now. They are very high now. We are above the clouds. We are above the clouds. Look at that big castle. Look at that big castle. The door is very heavy. The door is very heavy. Everything is so big in here. Everything is so big in here. I see a sleeping giant. I see a sleeping giant. And there is a golden egg. And there is a golden egg. Let's take it home. Let's take it home.
Who is in my house? Who is in my house?
He is awake! Run! We must go down quickly. We must go down quickly.
Come back here right now. Come back here right now.
We are almost at the bottom. We are almost at the bottom.
Jack, use this axe. Jack, use this axe.
The plant is falling over. The plant is falling over.
We have a golden egg now.
Thank you.
We have a golden egg now. Thank you.
The book is glowing again. The book is glowing again. It is time to go.
The next page shows a small house made of straw. The next page shows a small house made of straw.